Signing documents verifying method, push notification. Upload your document and proceed to the signing process. Here, you may opt for push verification from the choice of verification methods available. This method requires push verification from your SigningCloud app to complete the process. The push notification will be sent to your phone after you've selected Verify. You'll then be prompted with a push notification verification on your mobile app. The push verification methods vary, depending on your phone model. Some may require you to verify via fingerprint or Face ID to proceed.
SigningCloud. Sign with confidence.